Regime attacks kill 14 in Syria's de-escalation zone. Russian diplomat visit British tanker detained by Iran. Oman foreign minister arrives in Iran for talks. Sudan military and armed group agree to free detainees. Sudan opposition rejects report on protesters' killing. Sudan committee says 87 killed in sit-in dispersal. Rohingya and Myanmar delegations meeting bears no fruit. Intra-Afghan talks only after US and Taliban deal. Envoy. Afghan government says peace talk with Taliban next month. Bangladesh dengue infection breaks records. US approves $125 million for Pakistan military support. Pakistan 10 troops killed in militant attacks.